whole organization, our school board, our leadership team, we all value what you do. The schools would not run without you.
Every day they're keeping our schools up and running. Students can't learn in a building without AC. They can't learn in a building where a facility isn't functioning. So they pick up the phone and take the call to action every single day.
The camaraderie that you've seen out here and everybody together has not happened for a number of years, and that's a really, really good thing.
What we're doing is having some of the vendors in the area that help us out throughout the school year kind of come out and kind of show us some of the things that they do to help the school district out.
These jobs are more than just a paycheck, right? We want to take care of our employees. We provide comprehensive benefits with health insurance, retirement, but there's a lot of other things we can do, for their financial well-being. So we've got a host of vendors here, the credit union, any questions they may have, just to help them take some stress off of their plate.
More than anything, we'd like to say thank you to all of our staff for everything they do, because I know with the way things are today, and short staff and all, they get it done. They really get it done, so we really appreciate our entire team.
That's what it's all about, man. Like, we love when we get an opportunity to all be together.
I wish we could do more, and we're always working on increasing pay, increasing opportunities to make them feel valued and appreciated.
This team has gone above and beyond. We are hiring maintenance plant operation folks. We're short-staffed right now by 87 positions. So we want to really respect and take care of the employees we do have and hopefully attract more to this line of work.